And we have seen an increment in enrollment. We started when our ECD learners were 37,000, and now we are over 47,000. So we have seen a very high increment, over 10% of our ECD pupils. It is a program which happens every term. Our ECD learners eat rice and beans every day for 5 days in a week. It is a continuing program. We also have the program of milk. Our learners also take milk twice per week. And this we have seen it has really improved on the well-being, health and enrollment of our pupils. We know very well the foundation of education is that age, 3 to 4 years. So we want our students to grow strong and they grow intelligently so that they can be able to advance in their studies. As a county, we encourage parents, those who have children who are school-going age, that is 3 years and above, take your children to our schools, our county ECD centers, because we take care of our children. We make sure that they have enough learning materials, they have enough food, and our teachers are skilled. So don't stay with a child who is over 3 years.